Forget the drive-thru. We're making French fries at home, and not just any fries. We're talking crispy, golden, salty perfection that shatters when you bite, then melts like buttery clouds. This is what fries should taste like. Start with real potatoes. Not frozen. Not fake. Real ones, russets if you want classic, Yukon Gold if you're feeling fancy. Peel them, slice them into perfect sticks. Not too thin, not too thick. Just enough to hold crunch and still stay soft inside. Now soak them. Yes, soak them. Cold water, 30 minutes minimum. Why? Because starch is the enemy of crispiness. Pull it out and you get that clean, snappy crunch that fries are famous for. Then comes the secret, the double fry. First fry? Low and slow. You're not cooking them yet, you're waking them up. Let them bubble gently, pale and soft. Pull them out, rest them, let them breathe. Now crank that oil. Hot and angry. Drop those pale fries back in and watch them transform. The edges curl. The surface blisters. Golden brown magic happens in real time. You blink, they're done. Drain them. But wait, don't walk away. While they're still hot, throw in the salt. Generous. Bold. It sticks best when they're steaming. You want flavor in every crunchy corner. Line them up. Hear the crisp as they hit the plate. Look at them golden, crispy, humble kings of the snack world. One bite and you're done for. The outside snaps, the inside? Fluffy. Like mashed potatoes in disguise. Dip them in ketchup. Or mayo. Or mix both and make fry sauce. Or forget the dip. Just keep eating. One leads to another. It's science. You didn't just make fries. You made comfort. You made joy. You made that perfect late-night craving. Better than any fast food spot ever could. So if you're hungry now or just proud you finally found the fry recipe, drop a fry game strong in the comments. Smash that follow and stay tuned. Next up, chili cheese fries? Truffle parm? We're just getting started, chef.